What time is it? Conventional everyday questions or communication when talking about the exact time. See the following situations to learn how to ask questions and answers about time. Situation 1. Jackson, it's exactly 4:45 p.m. Can you be quicker, please?
Okay, I almost finished.
You are as slow as a snail.
I'm coming.
Hurry up. We can be stuck in traffic jams if we are only 5 minutes late.
I know. Take my car keys, Alice.
Here it is. Oh my God, there are so many cars. It's a long queue.
What time is it, Alice?
It's almost 10 past 5.
It's too early. The party is going to start at 6 o'clock. We can go there in 45 minutes.
If there's no heavy traffic like this.
Don't worry, I'll go a shorter way.
It's up to you, as long as we arrive there in time.
Of course.
I don't think we can be at the restaurant at exactly 6 p.m.
Why?
Now it's almost 5:30, and it takes us about 1 hour to go there with the traffic problem, Jackson.
No way! I just glanced at my watch a few minutes ago. It cannot be 5:30.
So, what time is it?
Just almost 5:20.
Oh, turns out my watch is fast. 30 minutes later.
Alice, do you see where it is?
Well, eventually we will get there.
I told you we would be at the party in time. Now it's exactly 6 o'clock.
I know, it's exactly 8 to 6.
Okay, let's go in.
Situation 2.
Hi, Sally. Are you on the road? How much longer does it take for you to be in the office?
Wait, on the road to where?
Oh no. Do you really ask that question?
Why not? It's too early now.
Too early? You don't know what time it is, do you?
What time is it?
7:15.
What?
Exactly 7:15.
Oh my gosh! I'll arrive there now!
Hurry up, you may be late.
Taxi, taxi!
Get in, please. Where would you like to go?
I need to go to the Mapbox company, please.
Lady, bang the door, please.
Oh, sorry.
No problem.
How long does it take to get there?
If no jam, we can get there around 7:15.
Excuse me, but could you drive a bit faster? I'm in a hurry.
I can't break the traffic rules.
Just a bit faster. I need to be present at the office by 7:15.
Don't worry, now it's just 5 to 7. It usually takes 15 minutes to get there.
Thank you.
I'll go the shorter way. The road ahead often has heavy traffic.
Thank you so much. Have you got the time here? I left both my phone and watch at home.
7:05, lady.
Will we get there in time?
I'll try.
Many thanks. My presentation to the board starts at 7:30, so I'm a little bit in a hurry. Is it nearly 7:15?
No, don't worry. We're nearly there. About 8 minutes. Here we are. Now it's exactly 7:07. You won't be late.
Thank you. How much is it?
Your total is, $3.50.
That's fine. Keep the change. Thank you so much.
It was nothing.
Hi, John. Has the meeting started?
Not yet.
Oh, why? Could you tell me the time, please?
7:23.
If so, you must have been in the meeting room. Why are you here?
You're so lucky, Sally. The meeting is delayed. It starts at 8 o'clock.
Oh, how lucky I am. I did set an alarm at about 5:45, but it didn't go off. So that's why I was late.
Okay. Let's prepare you for your presentation, Sally.
Okay, thanks for calling, John. Situation 3. Hey, my girl, I'm here. Oh, hi, Emma. Long time no see. Oh my God. Look who it is. How have you been? It's going well. What about you? What have you been up to? Still journalism? Everything is great. No, I'm a copywriter now. Oh, wow. That's a freelance job, right? That's right. So my time is very flexible. In contrast to me, every morning I have to get up at 5:45 or even 5:30 o'clock. You are not an early bird. Yes, I also want to have the same job as you. But I get used to getting up early in the morning. Really? What time do you often get up? About 5 a.m. Oh my gosh, why do you wake up so early like that? My hobby is running in the early morning. I prefer doing activities in the daytime. Exactly when do you run? 5:20 or sometimes 5:30. Wow, you must have taken a lot of exercises. How long do you run? A half hour or an hour? Both are not right. 1.5 hours. You also go to the gym, right? Yes, but in the evening, around 6:30 or 7 o'clock. After work? Yes. How often do you go to the gym per week? Every day? No, sometimes. 3 days per week. What time do you leave the office? 5 o'clock in the afternoon. So your working time starts at 8 a.m. as usual? Um, no, actually, my work often starts at 9 o'clock. But if I have a meeting, I'll be earlier, maybe 15 minutes earlier than usual. 8:45? Correct. Ah, Emma, do you know what time it is? 25 to 10. What's wrong? Do you have to go somewhere? No, just asking. Emma, how can you get up so early like that? I've tried many times but failed. I don't know. The alarm goes off and I wake up. How long do you spend sleeping? 7 hours, 6 hours and a half. Probably you turn off the lights by 11 o'clock. Around that time, my sleeping time is not fixed. You usually go to bed late, don't you, Anna? That's right. Even there were some days I slept at the crack of dawn because of completing work. Poor you. Emma, do you want to go shopping now? What time is it? Yes, whatever. It's a couple of minutes past 11. A little bit late for going shopping, but it's fine. Let's go. Situation 4.
Tom, go quickly to gate 7. I'm sorry for being late. What is the time, Tom?
It's 10 past 8 a.m., sir.
Run, quickly, the departure time is 8:30.
Wait, Mr. Peter, let me tell you.
What's more important? We must go quickly to the gate now.
Our first flight is delayed. The new departure time is 9:30.
Really? Are you sure?
I did hear the announcement a half hour ago.
Are you sure the delayed flight is ours?
100%. Ladies and gentlemen, this is an announcement that flight NZ245 has been delayed. Your new departure time is 9:30. Thank you. You see?
Okay, so lucky. By the way, tell me the schedule during my business trip.
Here you are. You'll first have a meeting with the director of Mapbox, Mr. Johnson, this afternoon.
What time does the meeting start?
1:15.
How long does it take place?
1 hour, according to the plan. And then you'll go to Oriole Restaurant to negotiate one more time the latest transaction with Mrs. Emily.
Specific time?
At 7 o'clock. Mrs. Emily likes people who are ahead of time, so I suggest we should go there at 6:50.
That's fine. What about meeting with a board of directors of the Chicago branch?
The meeting will be delayed until the next day due to Mr. Alex's absence.
Okay, what time is the meeting going to happen?
Early morning, exactly at 7:30, sir.
It seems to be an all-day meeting, right?
Definitely, sir. Mr. Peter, an old friend just contacted and wants to have a private conversation with you tonight.
Who?
Mr. Adams, sir.
Great. Have me arrange that meeting.
Around
8:30 or 9 p.m. after Mrs. Emily's meeting.
Yes, I'll do it.
Tom, have you got the time?
A couple of minutes past 9, sir.
It's time to get on the plane. Let's go.
Yes, sir. Situation 5. Lily, have you almost finished the report I assigned to you? Almost done. If you find it difficult anywhere, just ask me. Yes, thank you. I'm hesitating about calculating the statistic here. Let me have a look. With this kind of statistic, you should use the method I told you about yesterday. Oh, I got it. Thank you. Oh my God. What happened, Lily? Linda, look outside. Oh my, it's getting dark. I think it's just 5:15 or 5:30 at least. Lily, do you know what time it is? Wait for me. I guess it's 6 o'clock. You're wrong. It is exactly 6:50. Pardon me? Yes, you didn't hear wrong. Nearly 7 p.m.? Of course. Working so hard that we don't know the time. It was not until I lifted my head that both of us knew that it was nightfall. We're all bees. Busy as a bee. Go home now? I'll finish the rest of the report. It'll be soon. So, I'll wait for you and then we'll go home together. No, you don't need to do that, Linda. It's no problem. I'll wait. Situation 6. Hello, my friend Sophie. Hi, buddy. What's up, girl? Today we have to go back to school. Exactly. I'll pick you up. Let me do that. Whatever. What time? What time does the first class begin, Sophie? 12:30? So I'll pick you up at 12:10. That's fine. Sophie, this evening one of my friends is holding a party, and do you want to go with me? Okay? But I don't know anyone. That's no problem. You can make acquaintances with them gradually. Okay, so what time do we go there? The party starts at 8 p.m., so I think we can go to my friend's house at 7:15. Do you want to buy some new clothes or dresses for the party? Sounds good. If so, we have to go by 5 o'clock. Really? Because going shopping often takes us an hour and a half. But our class finishes at 4:45. No problem. I also have lots of things to do at home after school. How long? About 30 or 40 minutes. So let's meet at the park near your house. Is that okay? I was just going to say that. Is 5:30 o'clock fine? It's up to you. Okay. Oh, sorry, Elsa. I just remembered that I'm gonna have a class this evening. What time does it begin and finish? I study for 2 hours and the class starts at 5:30. So it finishes at 7:30, right? Yes? I'll wait for you at the park near my house. That's fine, but I'm afraid you can be late when you wait for you. That's okay. I'll wait for you at 20 to 8. Okay, thank you, Elsa. I'm hanging up now. Bye. Goodbye. Situation 7.
Good morning, Adam. Hi, how are things?
So busy recently. Long time no coffee with you. All right. Adam, could you tell me the time, please? I left my watch at home.
It's 9:15.
Sorry?
I mean, it's 8:45. Oh,
Adam, would you mind reminding me at 10:30?
that's fine. I'll tell you when the clock is 10:30.
Thank you so much. Because I have to do something at my office around 11:10.
You mean 11:10 or 10:50?
11:10 o'clock.
How far is your company?
About 10 kilometers.
If so, I'm afraid you should leave at almost 10:20, not 10:30.
I think so. Do you know what time it is?
It's 5 to 10.
So I will leave in 25 minutes.
That's right.